Let's study 9th Standard Physics, Chapter 1A, Numericals. We will do sums 1, 2 and 6, which are unique. The rest will be for homework. Fifth sum can be cancelled because this requires you to know how to convert 1 Dalton, that is unified atomic mass unit, into kg. You'll have to learn the value if your school keeps this in their syllabus. Now, the first sum, converting an angstrom into nanometer. Well, 1 angstrom is 10 nanometer, and also 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meters. You have to learn all the conversions from the theory of the chapter to be able to do all the numericals. So 5800 angstrom will be 580 Newton meter, and to convert it to meter, just do into 10 raised to minus 10. Now, ideally we can leave the answer like this. However, scientifically, the notations should always be in such a way that there is only one non-zero digit before the decimal place, which will become compulsory in college level. So if your school insists on writing in that format, so you'll have to convert it then. So what do we do here? I see that there is a decimal out here, a hidden decimal out here, but there are 4 digits before decimal. So shift it 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. That will become 5.8 into 10 raised to 3, or that is 1000. And 10 raised to minus 10 remains as it is. So this and this is same. It's just another way of writing it. Now, laws of indices, 3 and minus 10, addition. 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So the final answer is 5.8 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now the second sum, size of 1 bacteria is 1 micrometer, or 1 micron. Find the number of bacteria in 1 meter length. We will use unitary method. 1 bacteria length is 1 micron. So how many bacteria, X, will fit in a length of 1 meter? Units are different, so we'll have to convert it. Let's convert the bigger unit into a smaller unit, 10 raised to 6 micron. You need to remember this conversion. Cross multiply, you get the final answer as 10 raised to 6. That's 1 million bacteria in just 1 meter length, lengthwise. Now the sixth sum. It takes time 8 minutes for light to reach from the sun to the earth's surface. More accurately, it's 8 minutes 19 seconds. Anyway, the time is 8 minutes converted to seconds. Velocity is given in SI units. Find the distance. So the formula is distance is equal to speed into time, because light travels at a uniform velocity in vacuum. 3 into 10 raised to 8 into the time is this in seconds. So we get this as the answer in meter, which is the SI unit. But they want the answer in kilometer. How do we convert meter into kilometer? We divide by 1000. So divide by 1000, shift the decimal place 1, 2, 3, and we get the answer. And incidentally, it has only one non-zero digit before the decimal, so this is an accepted format. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.